Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to write a high converting Fiverr gig title. Now the first thing you should know is there are some things you should do and there are some things you should not do. So we'll start with the things you should do. Number one, be clear and concise. State exactly what you're going to do. For example, I will design a professional logo. Don't make it vague like creative artistry. Second step, use keywords. Check Fiverr search suggestions. For example, SEO blog post, animated explainer video. Those are keywords you can use. The third step is to highlight your USP. Highlight your USP. Add speed, for example, 24-hour delivery, specialization like minimalistic logo, or results like high converting copy. Third step is to start with I will. Make it action focused. I will edit your YouTube video. The fifth step is to add specifics. 3 custom logos, 2,000 word blog post, and the rest like that. Now, what are the mistakes you should avoid? 1. Spammy phrases. For example, best gig on Fiverr. It sounds unprofessional. Second mistake you should avoid is over-promising. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. You don't need to do this. Save it for the description. Third step is ignoring buyer intent. Always match what the client search for example, TikTok editor or e-commerce copy. The last mistake to avoid is being too generic. I will write articles. Better, I will write a 1,500 word SEO blog post. Much better. Let me give you some pro tips. Test titles in Fiverr Analytics and tweak based on clicks and orders. Example high converting titles are I will edit your YouTube videos with smooth transitions, 24-hour delivery, and I will design a modern logo plus business card in 48 hours. You see, a strong title equals more clicks, better rankings, and higher sales. Hope you found this video helpful.